Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss how we can unpack arguments while calling a function in Python. So to do that, what we need? We need a function. So def sum numbers. Okay. And here we can pass three numbers. So let's do a, comma b, comma c. Okay. And here we can do something like return a plus b plus c. Okay, quite simple. Now what we can do something like print, and then we can do some numbers, and inside of that we can pass some numbers. So let's do 1, 2, 3. Okay, run the program. We are getting 6, which is expected. Now, for example, we have a list of numbers. So numbers equals to 1, 2, 3, something like that. Okay. Now we want to pass this list inside of this function. So how we can do that? One thing which we can do something like this: numbers of 0, then numbers of 1, and then numbers of 2, something like this, right? If I do that, we are getting 6 once again. But this is not a valid thing, right? What if we are dealing with some indefinite number of arguments or indefinite number of numbers, basically this array or the list? So how we can do that? We can pass the thing. So first of all, let's pass the numbers all together and let's see what happens. We should get an error, which we are getting right now. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to unpack the numbers. So how we can do that? We can do that by using a star, something like that. So this is same as, basically if I just comment out here, it is same as the sum numbers, not this one. So let me just copy this one, sum numbers, and passing 1, 2, 3. Okay, run the program. We are getting once again 6. Okay, so we are unpacking this list and we are passing the list inside of the function here. So basically we are passing the unpacked version of the list inside of the function. Okay, it works with list and also it works with tuples as well. So if I just do something like this and do something like this, that should work. Okay, once again we are getting 6. Okay, so this is how we can use this star operator, basically this star symbol, to unpack a list or a tuple, and we can provide that unpacked version of the list or the tuple inside of the function as arguments. So in that way we can unpack arguments while calling a function in Python.